Hi everybody, just a quick update here to get you ready to do uploads from your, well, you could do it from your hard drive or you could do it from a lab machine to your Netlink space. And this is, your Netlink space is where you're going to host your index.html and the image files, if you have any, that you used for lab number 3. So here I am, I'm on my hard drive, and I have got what I think are my completed index.html. I'll just open it up, double check it, just to see that everything's fine. So I've double clicked it off my hard drive, and yeah, okay, looks okay. I think I'm ready to do the upload now. So I've got my 3 files here. I know where they are. I've put them in a www folder on my hard drive. You can have yours on your desktop, on another place on a hard drive, or perhaps on your H drive in the lab. Anyway, when you're ready, what you'll do is go to, if you're doing this in the lab or perhaps at home, you'll go and find the secure SSH secure shell. Now this is the program that we're running in the lab, SSH secure shell. This is your FTP, your file transfer protocol program. So you open it up, and we're going to use the secure file transfer client. And it'll open up, and I'll just bring it into space here. And when you get it open, you'll click Quick Connect, and here you'll put in the host name. Now our host is unix.uvic.ca. Username will be your Netlink ID. Click Connect. You'll be prompted for your password. This is your Netlink password. It might say enter your authentication response, but just click OK on that, and you just move that out of the way. So now this side of the SSH application has now populated with all of the material that might be on your Netlink account. There's probably a couple of things there. There's a lot here because this is my account and I store lots of things there. But the thing that you'll really need to find is this folder right here, www folder. And you'll go to it and open it up. Now, you may have some things in there, especially if you've been practicing in the lab and doing a little bit of uploading. I've just got an old index.html and an old image file. I'm not going to delete those or anything like that. I'm simply going to overwrite them with the new index.html and I'm going to bring in any new images that I need. So what I need to do is go over here and browse to where I've put my files. Now if you're in the lab, you may find it really helpful to use this part of the tool, because if you've got the things on your H drive, you can just go right there with it. But my work is in here. And it's here in CC, and it's in Labs, it's in 3. You can see I've got this nested fairly deeply, and here we are. So to bring material from this left side to the right side, this is actually the file transfer that we're doing. So we'll click on this and just drag it over, and I'm going to say yes. And then I'll click on Aerosmith, and you can actually, if you hold down and get a couple of them, you can actually get them at the same time, and it'll take them a moment to come over. Now once they're there, you'll see they've appeared here. They still stay there, and they've appeared here. Once they're here, you might like to check a couple of things. So first off, I'll just single click on the icon here, and then I'm right mousing. Now of course I'm doing this in my on a Windows machine. If you're working in the lab, you'll be doing it in Windows as well. And I'll pull down here to Properties. And I'll just want to check that this particular file, aerosmith_color.jpg, is read for the owner, read for the group, read for other, and write for the owner. You could also make it execute for the owner. That would be fine too. But the most important thing is that it's read, read, read. Read for the group, read for the owner, read for the group, read for other. These are the permissions that allow your files to be viewed across the internet when we're using a Unix system. It's important that all of these files, if you wish to see them viewed online, have that permission set. now we're pretty much ready here to leave, and we can disconnect and say OK and shut down. And now if I open a browser, so now I'm opening a browser, and I will set that browser down so we can see it, and I'll go here and I'll put in my web.uvic.ca/tilde, that tilde's the little squiggle, and my Netlink ID. And there we go. There is a work that I've just uploaded.